to today's lesson. We're going to learn about the verbs have and has. These are important words in English, and understanding them will help you in many conversations. Let's get started. Section 1. What are have and has? Have and has are forms of the verb to have. We use them to show possession, to talk about experiences, and in some expressions. Have is used with I, you, we, and they. Has is used with he, she, and it. Section 2. Using have. Have can show possession, experiences, and form questions. First one. Possession examples: I have a dog. You have a new car. We have many friends. Second one. Experience. Examples: I have seen that movie. You have visited Paris. Third one. In questions. Examples: do I have enough time? Do you have any problems? Section 3. Using has. First one. Possession examples: he has a bicycle. She has a beautiful garden. It has 4 legs it uses for animals or object. Second one. Experience examples: he has finished his homework. She has traveled to Italy. Third one. In questions: does he have a phone? Does she have a pet? Section 4. Negative form. Using have and has in negatives. To make have and has negative, we add not. Examples: I do not have any money. We can say I don't have any money. Contraction right. Another. They do not have a TV. He does not have a job. Section 5. Practice with have and has. Now let's practice. Fill in the blanks with have or has. First one. She, a cat. She has a cat. Second one. I, a bike. I have a bike. Third one. They, a lot of homework. They have a lot of homework. Last one. He, a great idea. He has a great idea. Great job! Thank you for joining today's lesson. Practice using have and has in your conversations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time!